Question number 16. Find the two positive integers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cube is minimum. Let x and y be two positive integers. According to question, whose sum is x plus y is equal to 16, whose sum is equal to 16, and y is equal to 16 minus x. Value of y is equal to 16 minus x, and sum of whose cube is minimum. Let us consider sum of whose cube is s is equal to x cube plus y cube. Sum of whose cube is minimum. Let s is equal to x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3. Y is equal to 16 minus x. Putting in this, we get s is equal to x raised to power 3 plus 16 minus x raised to power 3. It's equation number first. And we are differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating first with respect to x, we get ds upon dx is equal to ddx of x cube is equal to 3x raised to power 2. Nx raised to power n minus 1 means 3x raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So derivative of x raised to power 3 equal to 3x square plus differentiation of 16 minus x raised to power 3 is equal to 3 into 16 minus x raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and ddx of 16 minus x, differentiation of 16 is 0 and differentiation of minus x is equal to minus 1. We get ds upon dx is equal to 3x square minus this minus 1 multiplied by 3, that is minus 3 into 16 minus x raised to power 2, and ds upon dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into a minus b raised to power 2. We know that a minus b raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. 16 2s are 32x, 2ab. Then ds upon dx is equal to 3x raised to power 2 minus 3 into 16 16s are 256 plus x square minus 32x, and ds upon dx is equal to, and 3 is taking common, and in bracket x raised to power 2 minus 256, 3 is taking common, minus x square and plus 32x. ds upon dx is equal to 3 x square, that is plus minus, this will be cancelled, and 32x minus 256 in bracket. 32x minus 256. Put ds upon dx is equal to 0. 3 into 32x minus 256 is equal to 0. 32x is equal to positive 256 and x is equal to 256 divided by 32. This is divisible by 32 8 jar, 8 2 jar 16, 8 3 jar 24 plus 1 25. This is completely divisible by 8. So we get the value of x is equal to positive 8. And double derivative, so d square s upon dx square is equal to differentiation of we get ds upon dx is 3 common and 32x minus 256 in bracket. So once again differentiation, d square s upon dx square is equal to, that is 32. Differentiation of 32x is 32 and derivative of constant is 0. This implies d square s upon dx square is equal to 32 3 jar, that is 96. 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, that is positive. And if double derivative is positive, then it gives a point of minima. We get x is equal to 8 and put x is equal to 8 in here. We get value of y is 16 minus 8, that will be 8. Y is equal to 16 minus 8. This implies y is equal to 8. Hence required numbers is equal to 8 8 8 comma 8 answer. First of all, let us assume x and y be two positive integer. According to question, their sum is equal to 16. X plus y is equal to 16 and y is equal to x is shifting right side, that will be negative x, and value of y is equal to 16 minus x. And let us consider sum of whose cube is minimum. S is equal to x cube plus y cube, whose cube, sum of whose cube, x cube plus y cube, whose cube is minimum. Let s is equal to x cube plus y cube, and we are putting y is equal to 16 minus x in this equation. We get s is equal to x cube plus 16 minus x raised to power 3. It's equation number first, and we are differentiating equation number first with respect to x. We get ds upon dx is equal to derivative of x raised to power 3 is equal to 3 into x raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square, and differentiation of 16 minus x raised to power 3 is equal to 3 into 16 minus x raised to power 3 minus 1 is 2, and differentiation of 16 minus x, that will be minus 1. Derivative of constant number will be 0, and differentiation of minus x is equal to minus 1. So ds upon dx we get 3 into x raised to power 2 minus 1 multiplied by 3 that will be minus 3, and 16 minus x raised to power 2. ds upon dx we get 3x square minus 3 into a minus b raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We are applying the formula a minus b raised to power 2, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 16 raised to power 2 plus x square minus 2 into 16 into x is 32x, and ds upon dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 16 are 256 plus x raised to power 2 minus 32x. We are taking common 3 and in bracket x square minus multiply by 256, that is minus 256, minus multiply by x square is minus x square, minus plus 32x. And next step, 3 is common, x square plus x square minus, that will be cancelled, and minus 256 plus 32x minus 256, and put ds upon dx is equal to 0. 3 will be 0 and 32x minus 256 equal to 0. 32x is equal to 256 and x equal to 256 divided by 32. 32 8s are 256. So this is completely divisible by 8, and we find the value of x is equal to 8. Once again differentiating with respect to x, we get d square s upon dx square is equal to differentiation of 32x is equal to 32 and derivative of constant number 256, that will be 0. 32 multiplied by 3 is equal to 96. Double derivative is equal to positive 96. It will be minimum and it gives a point of minima. So we put x is equal to 8 in equation number. In this we get value of y. Y is equal to 16 minus 8, and 16 minus 8 equal to 8. So the required numbers we get 8, 8 answer. Thank you so much.